Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this mouth-watering cabbage sauce. This recipe was inspired by my able chef Jamie. I joined her live stream and she was preparing this very delicious cabbage sauce. Trust me when I say if I could tap on my screen to get that sauce, I'm definitely going to do it. So I just said to myself, Vicky, you have to recreate this mouth-watering recipe. So I went ahead and I got some cabbage, some carrots. You are just going to see everything I use in preparing this sauce. Trust me when I say it is very easy to make, and the good part is that if you are trying to lose weight, this meal is very low in calorie. You get in all your fiber and your protein. So I started off by adding my protein, which is turkey gizzard, into my pot. Added my favorite seasoning. I used curry powder, thyme, rosemary, some seasoning cube and salt. Okay, you can add in any seasoning of your choice and you can also go with any protein of your choice. Okay, I allowed that to steam for some seconds before adding water to cook it properly. Now I'm going to allow this, like the meat stock is going to dry up completely because I'm not using any oil for this recipe. So when my meat is ready, like 80% of the meat stock has dried up, I'm going to pour in my pepper mix. Just give it a stir, cover it and allow my pepper mix to cook until it is dry. When I mean dry, like completely dry, can you see there is no water content in my pepper mix anymore? Okay, so you want to cook this very well. Now once this is ready, I'm going to add in my chopped onions, chopped bell peppers, some grated carrots. Be sure to add in any vegetable of your choice at this point, okay, but I'm keeping it simple with just my onions, some bell pepper and carrot, and also the star of the show, which is the cabbage. You guys add as much cabbage as you want and don't even bother about the size, like how you dice it, because at the end while it cooks it's going to soften and everything is just going to be nice, juicy and very yummy. Okay, I've added my cabbage and I'm just going to give it a nice stir, making sure that every piece of my cabbage is properly coated with my sauce, and I'm going to cover this for some seconds on a very low heat. Your cabbage does not take time to cook at all, so you don't want to overcook it. Cover this up and allow it to steam for some seconds. So you see, you don't need to add water to your sauce because your cabbage already has water in it. Okay, once it's in, it's going to be juicy and everything is just going to be nice and ready. Do well to check and adjust your seasoning, and just like that you've made yourself a very delicious cabbage sauce. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.